you to come, but I think we'll replace you.
I'm sorry, I heard that I kept you back from going home. But I was invited initially to come and celebrate with you your 50th anniversary tomorrow. But I've already committed myself to going to Mba to have a look at the water catchment that's been causing some diseases and illness around the Western Division. But I know you prepared yourself well for the celebration. And I thought I might come this afternoon just to have a look at, talk to the school teachers and find out how the celebration is going. But I did know that you would be here in numbers to wait and greet me. But I thank you for waiting for me. I'd like to go around with the teachers and have a look at some of the programs that you have in the school, not only the celebration tomorrow, but ongoing. So I'd like to thank you for waiting for us this afternoon. I think the press people would like to have a photograph with you.